This material is MAGMA from C37. Inspired by basalt stone, this liquid-like stone material makes it possible to achieve products with intricate form factors. It has the same porous appearance and texture as natural stone, but it also exhibits new and unique properties. The material is made from 2/3 natural minerals and a low percentage of resin. Unlike natural stone, the material can be cast into organic shapes due to its liquid origin, and it does not require complex machining techniques. We are excited about this material because it can be used to create compound curvatures that are impossible to achieve when using natural stone. Final part thicknesses can achieve as thin as 5 mm, making the material 20% lighter than natural stone. Because of its superior properties, the material is already being used as tabletop design, such as vases and candlesticks, in lighting and jewelry such as earrings and watch faces. The material also provides high performance and beautiful surface solutions for interiors and exteriors. Panels made from the material can be applied to wall coverings and furniture for both domestic and commercial applications. We added this material to the library because we are excited to see an ancient material taken to new heights and applied to never-before-seen applications.